Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious pumpkin cake, tres leches, that I know you guys are going to love. It's perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this tres leche pumpkin cake, these are the ingredients. I have baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, pumpkin spice, vegetable oil, eggs at room temperature, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, condensed milk, evaporated milk, cream, and of course, the pumpkin puree. This is everything we need to prepare this tres leche pumpkin cake that I know you guys are going to love, and it's perfect for the holidays. So let's get started. I am going to start with the pumpkin puree. I'm going to add the whole can in here. I'm going to add the room temperature eggs. This part is very important. Always have your ingredients at room temperature. Once you add your eggs, you're gonna add your vegetable oil, and now you are ready to cream it really good. Mix it really good until it's nice and creamy. Let me tell you, this tres leches pumpkin cake comes out so fluffy, so moist. You're really going to love it. Once you have incorporated really good, now you're ready for the dry ingredients. I added my sugar. I'm adding my all-purpose flour, my spices, my baking powder, baking soda, the rest of the all-purpose flour, and I'm ready to sift away. You want to make sure and sift all your ingredients so your cake comes out really fluffy. And now incorporate it really good. Make sure that you clean the sides of the bowl. Let me tell you, the mixture is nice and thick, but yet the cake is going to come out fluffy and delicious. Make sure that you clean the sides of the bowl. And when this is done, then you are ready to transfer it to a greased baking dish. Of course, I am going to use my homemade non-stick baking cream. You already have this amazing recipe on my channel. And now I'm just gonna grease the bottom and the sides of the baking dish. And now I am ready to pour the mixture in here. The aroma of the spices and the pumpkin puree, just amazing. Look at this. Remember to always preheat your oven at least 10 minutes before adding your mixture inside, okay? I already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 35 minutes. Every oven is different. And now I am ready to prepare the tres leche mixture. I have a condensed milk. I have the cream. And of course, I want to make sure that I get everything out of the cans. And I'm adding the evaporated milk. Remember, don't forget to add your Mexican vanilla extract or the vanilla extract you have at home. Mix it really good and put it aside. And wait until that cake comes out. It's gonna be fluffy and delicious. Okay, I want to show you the texture. It's nice and thick. If you love your tres leches cakes really soaked, add the whole mixture. But if you don't, just add half. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means that it is ready. I am going to put some little holes with the fork so that the cake really absorbs all the amazing tres leches.
add everything in here. You could add half. I'm going to add everything in here and I'm going to let it rest for about an hour and then put it in the refrigerator. After it's been resting, cover it, put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And then look at this. Look how it comes out. I'm adding whipped cream right on the top. Of course, you can make any kind of decoration on the top. I'm adding whipped cream. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon powder on the top. And of course, I'm going to spread it all around. This is the best part, decorating. It doesn't need too much of a decoration because the cake comes out amazing. So I'm just adding the whipped cream on the top, mixing it really well, making sure that everything is nice and covered. And when everything is nice and covered, I am ready to sprinkle and be very generous with the cinnamon. You decide how much cinnamon you want to add. I really love the taste of the cinnamon in this amazing Tres Leches pumpkin cake. If you like and love this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, prepare this amazing Tres Leches pumpkin cake for the holidays. Be part of my family. I am sure you're really going to enjoy it. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Leches pumpkin cake. Let's see how this came out. It looks really fluffy, really moist. But let me taste it and I'll tell you exactly how it came out. Excuse me. It melts in your mouth. The flavor of pumpkin, amazing. The sweetness, just perfection. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing Tres Leches pumpkin cake at home. The holidays are here, so let's enjoy with our beautiful family. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe with your beautiful family. Like I said, the holidays are here. Let's impress our families baking at home this delicious Tres Leches pumpkin cake. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Tres Leches pumpkin cake made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.